So here's how I do my masking for the windscreen and the canopy. So I just take the appropriate size Tamiya tape, and for this one I'll just do one window at a time. So I will line it up with a seam line, and I'm going to burnish the edges really well. Sorry. Yep. Well, that doesn't help. The tweezers. There we go. And I burnish down the seam line here really well. I like to even hold it up to a light, and you can see the outline of the seam line a little bit better. Also, brand new blade, very important, brand new X-Acto blade or Excel or whatever you got. You don't need to like really cut into it really hard because you'll scratch the glass and make it ugly. You just kind of let the weight of the knife blade just outline it for you. So again, I like to, I don't know if I can demonstrate this on camera, I like to hold it up to a light source. So maybe, I don't know if you can see that or not. I like to hold it up to a light source so I can see very clearly. And again, I'm just going to barely, I'm not putting any pressure on it, I'm just running it right down. It's like that. And usually you gotta make a little score right here. Okay, and run this down. Again, no pressure. And then let's see. Again, where the triangle meets, just gotta kind of, there we go. There. This is not a very complicated masking job, but sometimes when you get bombers and you got a lot of windows and stuff, I think it's nice just to buy an Edward mask. But yeah, so, and if I got extra tape here left over, might be able to, maybe. Let's see. If I line it up on the top edge, yeah, I got some extra tape. Same thing. Burnish it. You can hold it up to a light. This just defines the edge better for you. Okay, let's see if we can get this one to work. Okay, let's see. Just comes together here. Ah. Don't look too bad. All right. Got a little bit off track right here. Just take take it a little bit closer. Well, I'm not going to worry too much about that. I don't want to scratch the canopy or the windscreen. So, okay, so that's how I do my masking. Gotten a lot better over the years. So let's do this other side. And again, find a nice straight edge. You can put the top of your tape there. Didn't go far. It's like that. See, when you hold it up to the light, you really see the edges. So, go, bingo. And that's really the importance is having a brand new blade. And so that's when I usually change my blades out on each model I build, when it's time to start doing the masking the glass parts.
Well, thanks everybody for watching here, and I hope you found this a little bit helpful. And just keep practicing and finding the technique that works best for you. In the meantime, take a look at the video popping up here. It's one of my favorite and most watched videos. Take care, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.